Now let's talk about number 6, using the principle together. The addition principle and the multiplication are used together to solve the equation. So here's the example. Number 66, using the principle together. Don't forget to check. When you see solve, it means solve for y. So we're trying to get a solution of y equal what? Okay. Let me rewriting the original equation. Right? Now, we can first, because we have parentheses, right, we need to remove it. So we need to distribute. 3 times y is 3y. 3 times 6 plus 18. The right hand side is 9y. Now, we need to solve for y. That means only one side has y only. But for this case, we have y on both sides of the equal side. So we need to combine the two y together to only one side. Personally, I like to eliminate the y with the coefficient smaller. Do you see that 3y here smaller than 9y right here? So I'm going to eliminate this 3y using the addition principle. Okay, so how do you eliminate this positive 3y? You have to adding the same values, 3y, right? And because we want to remove this term, change this 3y to 0. 3y plus what? Equals 0. Opposite, right? Opposite side of 3y. So 3y minus 3y is 0. So that means we need to subtract 3y on both sides of the equation. Okay? So let's do that. 3y plus 18 equal 9y. And I'll subtract negative 3y on both sides. 3y subtract 3y is 0. Don't forget the 18 right here. I'm just combining this term and this term only. So don't forget the constant term. 0 plus 18. Okay. 9y subtract 3y is 6y. 0 plus 18 is 18 equal to 6y. Now we need to solve for y. Because this is multiplication, right? We need to change this coefficient 6 to 1 because 1 times y is y. Do you still remember how do we do that? We need to use the multiplication principle. So because this is 6 times y, right? Because opposite of multiplication is division, right? So look like you're going to use the addition. Sorry, look like you are going to use the division. So I'll divide 6 on both sides using the multiplication principle. So 6y divided by 6 is 1y. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 1 times y is y equal 3. So the answer is y equal to 3. Okay? It says here, don't forget to check. So make sure you check this solution. So let me have the check over here. Check. We follow the same procedure. Substitute 3 right here to the original equation. 3 times 3, which is the solution, plus 6 equal 9 times 3, which is the solution right here. Now after we're substituting, we don't know if it's correct or not. So make sure you put a question mark because you don't know if it make the left hand side equal to right hand side or not. So let's simplify everything inside the parentheses first. 3 plus 6 is 9. 3 equal to, question mark, 9 times 3, 27. 3 times 9 is 27. And the right hand side is 27. Does 27 equal 27? Yes, true. So thus, this y equals 3 is the solution. Okay, so we solve this equation first using the addition principle, then we use the multiplication principle to obtain y, then we get the answer, which is y equals 3. We check this answer by substituting 3 to the original equation, and simplifying, we get the left hand side and the right hand side the same value. So it's a true statement. That means the solution y equals 3 is the solution